Good morning, everyone. My name is Joelle, and I'm going to take you through a 5-minute stretching routine that you can do right in your bed, first thing in the morning. Let's begin by pulling the right knee in towards the chest, breathing deeply here, telling yourself that today is going to be a good day. And then releasing that and switching sides, left knee pulls in. You've already gotten your day off to a great start right here in your bed. So give yourself a little pat on the back for that. And we can pull both knees in towards the chest now, rocking a little bit gently from side to side. Noticing what thoughts come up. Letting go of whatever you have to do today, and just enjoying these few minutes. And then bring the soles of the feet together, knees out wide. Rest the hands on the belly and begin to gently turn the head from side to side. Waking up the neck a little bit. Feeling the breaths fill the belly. And just starting to bring a little bit of life and energy into the body to fuel whatever you've got going on today. And let's gently roll to one side so we can sit on the edge of our bed now, rolling the shoulders back, shaking out the cobwebs. And once you've arrived, place the left hand to the rib cage. And inhale to open up towards the ceiling. And exhale to close. Just a couple of movements here. Maybe holding open. And then let that go. Cross right knee over left so we can twist towards the right. Sitting up nice and tall. And then uncross the legs, and we'll reach the left arm up and over. Opening up through that side body, stretching out the lower back. Nice deep breaths here. And come back to sitting up tall. We'll try the other side, so right hand to the rib cage, inhale to open up, and exhale to close, just taking that a few more times, opening and rounding, maybe even holding open for just a breath or two. And release. Left knee over right knee. Turning the upper body towards the left. Bringing out that spine. And then uncrossing those legs so that we can lean towards the left and reach the right arm up and over. Ask yourself what kind of day you'd like to have, and promise yourself to make it a good one. And we can shake that off. Bring the knees just a little bit apart so that you can fold the upper body forwards, let the arms hang, maybe give that neck a little bit of a shake. Releasing through the entire spine here. And then very slowly beginning to roll yourself back up to seated. Fling your hair out of the way, place the hands behind you, opening the chest up into a little back bend, maybe looking up towards the sky. And then let that go. And wonderful job, everyone, for starting your day out right. I'd love to see you again for this one tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this, please do hit the like button or leave me a comment to let me know. See you soon for another video. Bye!